Hi guys. So today we are not actually playing Minecraft. Well, we aren't playing Minecraft at all today. We're playing an actually new game for the channel. And well, technically it's not a fully new game. It's a game on Roblox that I've been doing for a little while. And well, I actually really do enjoy this game. And it's don't get crushed by an avalanche. And basically how it works is basically what it says in the title. You have to run from these avalanches. As you can see, there's a level 7 one coming. Oh my god, this guy has a freeze gun. We better stay away from him. But guys, we have the snowmobile. And you get this on your second day of playing. Also, if you look at the top of my head, you can see I have 14 wins. But some people have like 150 wins, which means they've been playing the game for a lot longer than me. They just grind all day, every day. Make it in! Okay. There's 2 other people here. We got Elsa and... let me read your name. Menace Rome. Menace Rome. I don't know. You guys let me know if that means something that I shouldn't be saying. Oh my god, not level 7. That's so scary. Just kidding. Also, I don't know why these Robux things keep popping up. So yeah, we're just gonna see how many wins we can get today. But you guys are probably you might be wondering when my next Minecraft like normal survival video will be, and that'll literally be the next video I upload. Unless, well, the next full video, maybe the shorts will come in first. I'm kind of scared to go up this mountain, because there can be level 6. Ow! Luckily you don't die as soon as it hits you. Oh my god, we gotta make it there before Eno, because Eno can actually spawn an asteroid. An avalanche. Level 48? That thing is huge, bro. And now we've just got ourselves another win. Let's do this. Oh my, it's still here. Whoa, 14. Already? I feel like the level 48 one just came. Is that someone on the hoverboard over there? That means they've spent Robux. Yeah, that person spent Robux, bruh. Bro, I don't like cheaters. Well, they're not really cheating, but they're buying, like, game passes. And I do that a lot, too. But, like, I just find it cringe. Like, bruh, it's 2025. I only get the ones that are worth it. Like, just a hovercraft. Like, why not use a snowmobile? It's pretty much the same thing, you know? Someone in the Eno said wow. Why is Eno wowing? Is it because you just found a small content creator in Roblox? I doubt it, but it's possible. I mean, I feel like people have recognized me a little bit before, but I'm not sure. Like, and also thank you so much for helping me get to 96 subs. Yee! Let me in there. Oh my god, in level 17? Jeez, these avalanches better chill. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Bro just got hit by the freeze ray. Can we favorite it? Oh! Level 999, that's crazy. Level 9. Whoo! Get me up there. That's kind of scary. Okay, please. Ow. Whoa! I just went flying. Oh my god, there are so many avalanches coming in now. get to the... No, we got this. Ooh. Press the button. Summon. 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 Come on, guys. Chant with me. Summon. Well, we can summon. Level 10, okay. Let's go. Let's meet that guy back up at spawn. Like, there he is. He's coming, bruh. He's coming as fast as possible. I forgot about him. Someone... Whoa! Bro just got sent flying. And I don't really know how that's possible. That guy's carrying a health potion of all things. You know, I'm a coward. I'm hiding. These caves really save you from anything. Even that level 1000 one earlier. Well, it wasn't 1,000. It was 999. But, you know, it's just one away. Quality. Is his name really Quality? Hold on. Quality. It really is Quality. But yeah, guys, we got some potions here, which are things that you can buy with these coins, which we have 1,104 of. You know, let's have a shield potion. Wow. So now we're pretty much invincible. So we don't even have to worry about this level 8 coming. But it does break our shield. It just kind of gives us like a second life. I'm kind of scared about that 999 one coming back. Bro, no. No, why would you do that? Now I'm going to get squished. Oh my god. And now you're sending in your level 10? You trying to kill me, Breer? Breer? Who's Breer? I meant bruh. Bro, and you kill me too? Also, why is that my face? I thought this was my face. That's so random. Yo, this person is moving really fast. Okay. Go faster. Oh. My. These avalanches are kind of big now. I thought you were holding a gun, but it was just your... I'm addicted to K-pop demon hunters. Nah. Okay, I mean, it's not the worst thing. Oh my god, are you serious? Wait. I wonder if I could actually get on top of the safe zone. That might be something to try out sometime. Don't really have to worry about level 7. Not that bad. I mean, it's about the size of my Roblox avatar. Come on, go, 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 go. I think we could just jump over level 5. Yeah, let's try it. I'm not scared! Yeah. That's right. Yuck, all players. Dang. Level 11. Ooh, we got hit. We got hit by the force and gravity. Oh my god, level 12. These avalanches are really not messing around anymore. But that won't prevent us, because we're not messing around either. We're just going to stand up on this. Okay, maybe it was best to go back here. Dude. I might die. Oh my god, get me on the snowmobile. I'm cooked. Wait, do we have a health potion? Yeah. Yeah, we got healed up. Don't you dare press that button. I see that little bacon over there. Level 43? Did that just go right through me? Am I hacking? Nah, let me past. This guy is trolling. You're trolling. Oh, he really is trolling. Can't hit a moving target. Hehehe. And now I've got myself a lot of coins. Level 20. My god. Let's see if we can dodge it with this tree. And we can jump if we need to, guys. Alright, let's keep going. And hope that nothing comes. Bruh, as soon as I said that, level 14. Level 10? Guess we'll be sitting here for a while. Alright, where's the other dude? There he is. Alright, run for your life. Take the snowmobile. What is that little thing? Where are you? Hello. What are you? That's Metro Man in another realm. He's from the Shadow Realms for real. I don't know. Is he from Timu? Wait, we could just hide in there. What the? Don't know what that was and why. Should we just like dive bomb from here? Dive bomb! No. I saw that guy pull out the freeze ray. Nah, he's actually trying to hit me with it. Bruh. You can't hit a YouTuber. That's a law. That's against the law, hitting a YouTuber. Eek. Did that really just go right through me again? Bro, I believe. Summon. Level 8. Kind of trash. Well, Battlefield level 1 just spawned in. I don't really need any. I don't really need the potions. Why are you so expensive? Are you upgraded? I mean, this one kind of looks the same. Yeah, I'm hovering over it, but I don't really want... I just bought it. Oh well, I guess we have a red one. Wait a minute, is that faster? Oh my god. Wait a minute, that's faster. Ah! Okay. So this is faster. Wait, just to be sure. Yeah, this red one was worth it because it's much faster. Maybe we can jump over this one. Hoota! Okay. This red snowmobile was actually worth it. Look at that little Metro Man. Trying his hardest. And apparently when we get to 25 wins, we can get a helicopter, guys. So we can just skip the whole thing like it's nothing. Bro, get me over to this rock, please. We are so OP. Like, how are we this OP? Like, I only just started playing like 2 or 3 days ago. Maybe 4, 5, 6 or 7. Nah, not that. Bro, let me climb. And we can summon again. Boom! Level 10. We're almost at 25 wins, which means we could get the helicopter. Look at it, bro. It's almost like it's just, the sun is just shining down on it. Ready to be, I guess, bought. Can I move you? I kind of want you to be next to the other potions. And get these things out here, bro. Just take the snowmobile. Everything will be alright. Whoo! See what I mean? With the snowmobile. I feel like an advertiser. You can get the all-new red snowmobile. And it is faster than our old source material. Get to the bunker. Get to the bunker. Whoo, that was scary. That was really scary. And you can get it for just £1,500. Nothing else. And right now, there's a 0% discount. Okay, we only need 5 more wins. Take the snowmobile. Da, 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 da. Hee! Oh, we got hit, but that's okay. Because we have snowmobile, which you can get right now. Yo, he's coming. Ah, cat. Really? That's your name? Get that weird face away from me, bro. Why don't pick a more cartoony face? Why didn't make it realistic? Okay, jump. Whoo! Also, I feel like if Lucky Waffle had a real voice, he would sound something along the lines of this. Hey! Nah, I'm just kidding. He would probably sound something like, hi, would you like to play video games about jumping up and down in muddy puddles like Peppa Pig at 3 a.m. on your Ring doorbell camera? I'm just kidding. That's not actually what he would say. Oh my god. Why did it glitched up there? Get me out of here. Get me up and out of here. Boom! 12. That's our highest in this video that we've summoned. Oh my god, it just crashed, dude. Wait, we can actually get the freeze gun. And we can freeze that dude up there. Bro, why was my gun shaking? It's like when you're scared. Hoota! Yeah, I actually froze someone. Hey. What kind of skin even is that, dude? Oh, better run. Better run, for my freeze ray is coming for you. But I was really hoping I could troll him, but he kind of... I forgot I was a thing. I forgot I was a sentient human. OMG, OMG, OMG. What do you mean, OMG? What's happening? You found a YouTuber, right? You found Mr. Beast as a waffle. Whoo! Oh my god, why did I do that? Coca-Cola. Get to the end where we all belong. Get to the end. Dimension. Ooh, 50 chance we get out of this. Whiskers. What is that skin? Is that Cocoa? Is that Coco from Dandy's World? Bro, Cocoa. I think it's Coco, but okay. Get me out of here. Ooh, I almost just got hit. Because I glitched out. Was that a Coco? Was that a Coco chicken? They should add that to Dandy's World, bro. I'm calling the creators and telling them they should add chicken skins. I'm pulling out the freeze ray, bro. I'm tired of these people winning. Level 10. What an idiot. Let's spawn another one and see how high we get. Booget. Bruh. Level 6, really? We're 3 away. Is that Hatsune Miku in Roblox, but kind of like evil? Sabrina, you're dead. Okay. You know what? I'm following Hatsune Miku, bruh. No matter what, die! Oh my god, she's gonna hate me now. She gonna hate me. Yeah, bro, getting absolutely trolled. I'm sorry, guys. I had to do it. It was an evil version of Hatsune Miku. Bro, please don't. What? Oh my god, a level 14. I'm so scared. Bro, please, let me out. Why? Why do I have to sit through this pain and suffering when I can't? No! Please don't summon in like a level 47 or like 48. imagine if I actually did, but it was just an 11. Hoota! Made me go faster, snowmobile. I don't trust this person at the top. See you on the flip side, bro. Bocow! Level 10. Not as bad as what we've had in the past. Upgrades. Give me some upgrades. Speed boost. Yes, we need lots of speed to help us get up this mountain. Bro, I'm faster than this dude. Well, he gave himself a speed potion, but not until I freeze him. Bro, don't you dare go in that. You're a cook, dude. Katow! Please tell me the sky is cooked. Bro, I got karma. And he just left right in front of me. Level 22. These avalanches gotta chill for once. Chill. Avalanches are chill. Yeah, okay. Whoo! I'm powering over to that tree over there. Why did they put the biggest stuff as the last two things? Well, the second last two things. The third last and second last, because then you've got the smallest little thing. Let me up there. Okay, and just speed your way along. Like you're having a great day, full of butterflies and flowers. Yeah, we got level 9. Nice. Upgrades. Who even are you? What should we add? Health. Definitely health. That would be good. Some health. Hota! Attack. Just jump, bro. Whoo. And then get back on the snowmobile. We're gonna do this all in one run, okay? We need this helicopter. Now, why is nothing coming? Okay, the level 10, not bad. Please. I'm absolutely gonna troll level 6. But that was awful. Keep pressing. Press. Pressity, press, des to the press. Please. Okay, level 7, But now, we can get our hands on a helicopter. Oh! The helicopter. The almighty. Now, how do we go up with this thing? We're going up. Oh, there is an option for it. Okay, up. Get up there. Whoa. And just fly your way over there. Because we are so out of this world. Let's just go up. Not like anything can hurt us up here. Okay, go down a little bit. Yup, you can't hurt me. I don't care about no stinking snowmobile. I got the next best thing. Maybe everyone should have boarded a helicopter in the first place, dude. This thing is so cool. That feels like a Roblox item, don't you guys think that? But no, you just gotta use your wins. Should I help people after this? Yeah, we're gonna help people after we spawn a level 9. I'm really interested in some of these upgrades. We'll do a little bit of coins, but not the most. Down, up. Up. We're trying to go to space. But we gotta help people, by the way. Also, why are we spinning? We're just spinning, guys. I mean, who doesn't want to spin? Okay, get in there. This looks so goofy. We're just sitting in a helicopter. Okay. We have to find somebody. We have to go up first. We can be like a rescue helicopter, guys. Rescue! Oh, I see someone. There's someone running along the side. There's 2 people on that rock. Hey, you need some help down there? I'm here. I'm here for you guys. Get on. No? Yes! There. Okay. Go up. Go. No. Yes. Yes. Okay. Just gotta try and go. Oh my god! It's working! Yes! We're gonna get there in no time. Oh. I mean, it kinda worked. You can't lie. It kinda worked. I'm coming down, boys! To help you! Get back on! Yes! I'll take you up into the sky! We'll go help this person, bro. Whew! This is tough. But we're tough. We're tougher than these things. Oh my god. Really? Come over here. No. No, you're gonna come over here. No. No to the no. You're gonna get on. Yes! Oh my god, why am I? Yes! Take this person to the end! Oh. Woo! We're almost there! Just a bit more! Okay, you can make the rest yourself. Hoota! That's right. I just helped you get your first win. Whoa, why is the Demogorgon here? Level 8. Yo, someone's going light speed. Yo, you can get your game passes now. And now I can go and do my thing because now I hate you. Nah, I'm just kidding. Should we try and do it again? Yo, you there? Needing a hand? Slaps with the slap hand. Anyone need some rescue? Yo, dude, I'll take you away. I'm a rescue helicopter. Yo, get on. Get on. Yes. Yes. 2x, 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 2. Oh. Yo, try again. Try again. Let's try this again. Okay, just gotta go up for the little thing. Intermission. No, he's gonna get hit. Oh, nice jump. Okay, try again. Yes, Demogorgon. Yes, they're trying. Yes, go up. Yes, Demogorgon. We're taking him. Well, sorry, bro. Oh my god, level 20. Sorry, guys. You're gonna have to jump. Oh, it went right through him. Nice. Let's give this boy some speed. Oh! Level 31. Oh my goodness. Whew. Helicopter. Helicopter. Boom, boom. How far up can we go? Like, is there a limit? We're going up. I think we're breaking limits, guys. Well, it would seem. Oh my god. We're going really, really high. Go higher. Yo, the avalanche looks tiny. Go up. just fall? Oof. Hey, Demogorgon. Let's go. You only have one? Hop on my snowmobile. Hop on. Hop on, we'll go for a ride. This just feels like cheating, not gonna lie. Go back down. Wait. Ow. Wait, is this a thing? Can you just like farm it? No. You have to do this. It's like a resetting trigger. Coins? I mean, we can get coins. Level 9. Stands no chance against my snowmobile. Ow. Okay, maybe it does stand a little bit of chance. We're gonna make it before this dude. Ka-chow! Okay. Go, go, go! Hello. Hey there. Get me up! Ugh. Hey there, if you want to find my second treasure chest, you'll have to try better than that. Do I even want your second treasure chest? It's like there's anything to spend money on. I don't want to be the one. I'm not the one in telling lies. You're doing that. I'm blundered it before I could. Bro, look at that. I'm gonna make it before this guy. No. Gung gung. Body beady bomb. Yo, Mellow. I'm gonna be the one to spawn this avalanche. 13. No way. Let's just freeze some people, I guess. Bro. Is that Godzilla? Or is that an Indoraptor? Well, he's getting frozen. Bruh. That's like the worst mess ever. A mess. Get frozen. And now I can use you. Oh, you AFK, huh? I just froze him as he left. Ka-chow. Why here? Why not there? Woo! Oh well, guys, that's gonna be it for me. That's gonna be it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more kinds of videos like this, make sure to subscribe and please like. So yeah, bye bye.